Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this makeup tutorial, I'm gonna show you a tutorial using a new palette from Colourpop, which I think is actually quite a popular palette at the moment. Even though I feel like Colourpop launches new palettes all the damn time, I feel like I'm receiving like new packages from them in my mail with new palettes almost every week. So it's hard to keep up with their newest launches because they launch so many new collections in such a short time. But this is the Daisy Does It palette, which I've seen a lot of people raving about. So today I wanted to film a video. I feel like the palette looks really cute, kind of like spring inspired. So it's the perfect time to do a look with it. Now first I wanted to go in with the peachy colors to do a look, but I feel like I've done so many kind of like warm peachy shades eye looks already, so today I wanted to play with the other colors. If you guys do want to see a peachy eye look with this palette as well, definitely let me know in the comment section. But today I'm focusing more kind of on the green shades that come in the palette, so I hope you guys like that. I especially think that looks beautiful on brown eyes, so if you're watching this and you have beautiful brown eyes, this is gonna look gorgeous on you. So I started with this kind of like light orangey yellowy color and started blending this all the way in my crease, going from the inner corner to the outer corner, and then around this area where I'm blending right now, I'm kind of creating a round shape because I'm not going in with any winged liner or anything. So I like to also blend the eyeshadow in this area when I don't have any eyeliner going on over there. So I just continued to blend, and then I went in with this light shimmery color. Now first I used a brush and I just noticed that it didn't give a lot of color payoff, so then I went in with my finger and I still wasn't really happy with how it turned out. I feel like the color doesn't really show up, so then I decided to go in with this color instead, and the pigmentation looks so much better, as you can see. It almost feels kind of like a creamy consistency. It's super pigmented, so that previous color just didn't really do the job, so that kind of sucks. But this one definitely makes up for it because this one applies really nicely. So I applied it all over my eyelid. It's kind of like a soft green shade, but it also has kind of like a golden sheen to it. Then next I went in with this dark green color and started blending this like right at the outer end of the eyelid. At first this color did not really blend out, as you can see, but I felt like I didn't really have a choice, so I just continued to add more and try to blend more until it looked good. So with a lot of blending it actually turned out good, but it did take a lot of blending, unfortunately. But this is actually a thing that I've heard a lot of influencers, or not really influencers, like makeup artists on YouTube talk about, that green eyeshadow is supposedly to be a really hard eyeshadow to make, and also to make it blend great for some reason. I don't know, maybe there's something about the green pigmentation which is hard to make, I don't know. But I've heard it before, that green eyeshadow is just a really hard eyeshadow to work with, and this one did that as well, so yeah. But as you can see, I just blended it a lot and it did turn out eventually, but I feel like so far I have already used two colors which did not really perform the way I wanted it to be, so yeah. I just wanted to be honest about that. So I took that same color but now used it on a eyeliner brush, and I just created like a simple line above the lash line. So this will give the illusion that I used eyeliner or like an eye pencil, but I'm just using the eyeshadow instead. So for this it actually worked really well, but I just really had a hard time with kind of blending it out and making it look super soft. So after that I used the same green color and also used it for underneath the lower lash line using a Sigma Beauty flat diviner brush, kind of like sweeping my brush back and forth, and then I also used a tiny brush to blend it out. Now I don't need as much blending underneath the lower lash line as I had like for the outer part of the eyelid, so it didn't really matter if it didn't really blend out really well because I didn't want it to be, if that makes sense. So now I went in with this light color and applied a tiny bit of that in the inner corner of the eye, and then I also used this light yellow pencil which came in the Colourpop collection together with this palette, so I wanted to use it since it came with the collection. So it's super light, perfect to brighten up your waterline, makes your eyes appear a little bit bigger. So just using that. And then after this, it's time for mascara. So first I'm curling my lashes like I always do. It just lifts up the lashes a bit more and it makes your mascara come out better. So today I'm using the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Mascara. So yeah, if you watch a lot of my videos, you're probably like, wait, is she not using the Maybelline Sky High Mascara? Actually, before I always used to use the Maybelline mascara. I always used to use this one. So I just wanted to use it again since I haven't used it in a while. But yeah, this is the end of the video. You can definitely finish off the look with some lashes, but I wanted to keep it more soft and simple for you guys to recreate. So yeah, this is the final result. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. Also, if you do want to see another look using this palette, but maybe like use the peachy colors, let me know in the comment section. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and hopefully I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.